So in this PayPal tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to change your cover picture here on PayPal. So once PayPal is opened up, go to the home screen here, go to the top right, press on the profile icon. Once you guys are on this page, tap on your profile picture or the pencil that's sort of in the bottom right of it. So once you're here, you guys can go to the top. So right now for me it's blue, but if I were to go to the top here and press on the little camera circle in the bottom right of that, you can go ahead and either upload an image of your choice, or if I wanted to change this to example to purple, I can select purple, go to the bottom, press on save. Now I've updated my cover picture accordingly. So very simple, very straightforward. That is how to change your cover picture here on PayPal. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.